we going? Where are we going?
We're going shopping.
Shopping!
It's shopping day.
Hey guys, we are in the car. John is driving my car. And we are headed to the outlet malls today. Ooh, speedy. And we're so excited, but we're making a pit stop to Chick-fil-A first, getting a chicken biscuit. Are you excited?
I'm very excited.
And then I also brought my makeup pouch to do my makeup in the car because it's currently 9:30. We woke up early because we're going to an outlet mall that's like
an hour away.
An hour, almost an hour and a half away, because they have a Pottery Barn outlet. I'm seriously so excited because our apartment is kind of empty.
Wait, I would say it's empty. It just needs decor.
It needs decor. So like I explained in our moving video that we bought all the essentials. So we have like a bed, we have a desk, we have a dresser, we have all the cleaning supplies and everything, but we have no wall art or decor or anything.
Yeah.
But I think we did it like we're really happy with it. There's a line at Chick-fil-A.
Yeah, we're gonna change the pickup method.
Yeah, we should do like go in and get it. Yeah. John, are you a red status member?
Yes, I am the highest of tier at Chick-fil-A rewards.
We get Chick-fil-A a lot. But it's like right next door to our apartment. It's so nice. But anyways, we are gonna do that. I'm gonna put my makeup on and I'll update you guys very soon.
That's the Chick-fil-A goodies.
Got the straw. Guys, we made it!
We made it. I am, are you?
I'm seriously so excited. I haven't been to this outlet mall in forever because it's so far away.
I've never been, yeah.
And they just have like a little bit of everything. I think we're mostly shopping for the apartment. But I think we could easily pop into like Under
I feel like we're gonna end up shopping for us a lot more.
Yeah. So we'll keep you guys updated. I'm seriously so excited, and it's dead.
It's very dead.
But it also just opened.
Weird.
It's only 10:40.
Yeah.
And our Chick-fil-A was delicious.
It was amazing.
Much needed. Got a Diet Coke.
Yeah, we got a lot of free stuff.
And we got free stuff because John's a
if you guys ever want free Chick-fil-A, download their app. It's much more convenient, and if you spend a lot of money at Chick-fil-A like I do, then it's worth it.
But we are gonna go shopping. We made it.
What's up?
Hi. Oh, we had so much stuff. So I am back home and John had to go to work, so I'm home alone, but we are back from the outlets and we didn't find any furniture, but I went to the Nike store and bought a few things. It's gonna be so random, you guys, but I'm gonna sit down and do a little haul. It's seriously the most way you guys are gonna giggle. It's like so random. But I am going to do some dishes and clean up a little bit, and then I probably am gonna go and see my family, and my brother is coming over, so I'm really excited. But I wanna share with you guys what I bought. You guys are currently resting on like the little window thing. I have all this artwork over here. I need to find homes for it and everything, and I didn't find any decor. I wanted to go there for Pottery Barn so that I could get some shelves and some like decor pieces, but I have a lot of decor. I just don't have a shelf for it, so I want to share with you guys what I'm thinking. But there was a Nike outlet store, and I have been wanting the crew socks and like the little ankle socks for my workouts like crazy, and during the move I lost so many socks. I don't know what happened to them, so I literally just picked up 2 packs of socks, and I have such small feet that I bought kid socks. So I got the everyday cushioned ankle, and they're just like little ankle socks. I just feel like these are so cute and I've been wanting to get them. And then I also got the everyday cushioned crew, and I feel like these are so cute. I've been seeing so many people wear them where they like roll them over and they're inside out, like the swoosh is inside out, which I don't know if that's a thing. Like let me know in the comments down below. I also need to paint my nails like desperately. Sadly, we didn't find any decor. I think me and my mom might go out shopping later, so that'll be fun. I'm just gonna put these back in the bag. And I just want to share with you guys what I'm thinking. So in this corner of my nightstand, I kind of want to put like a shelf or something over here. I'm just really struggling to find a shelf that matches the decor. And I also want to put a ton of wall art over here, and right there is where I was sitting to film that. But I also can't decide. I want like a bookshelf, but I don't know if you guys think it would be weird because we're kind of like just thinking it's gonna look weird to have a tall bookshelf next to a dresser and then in between the mirror, but I want some sort of shelving just because I have a lot of like little knickknacks, but I also like the background of my videos to have more pink and like glam and just like a little bit of knickknacky stuff in it. If you guys have watched previous videos of mine, it's always such a busy background where I feel like I love how calm and empty this place is, but it's also a little too empty for my liking. Like it's home, but it doesn't feel like home yet because it's not decorated. We don't even have a wall art hanging, but I know it's only been a few weeks of us living here, so I'm not too worried about it. But that is like my current like thought process. I'm like, okay, I need to decorate really badly. So I'm probably gonna put some more stuff away. I need to put laundry away and everything, and I need to get started on my nails. I need to pick a color. Last week I did like a light pink color. You guys might have seen it in my August favorites. And I really liked it, but it was almost like too light, especially since I just had hot pink. But I want to share with you guys my outfit because I did share it a little bit this morning. So this set is from Shein. I seriously think it's so adorable. I love the little bows on the sleeve. It's been like 90+ degrees here all week and I'm just like toasty. It's too much. I took all the jewelry off and the shoes and everything, but I'm gonna go eat lunch because I'm so hungry.
Oriental Hospital in Korea and has a history of about 50 years, which is just insane. Also harvests only essential.
I just finished eating a Built Bar for lunch. I got the chocolate peanut butter brownie one. John actually picked up a whole case of them, which was so sweet. So they're all in our pantry, but I've never tried one before and it was really, really good. So this is what it looks like in case you guys are interested. I've seen so many YouTubers talk about it, so I had to try it out. It was really, really good. I also painted my fingernails, so I did red. I was like tempted to paint them purple and I was like, I wasn't feeling it. So I went with red because I love how the red looks. I also want to show you guys. I've been watching Room is like the aesthetic I want. Like, oh my goodness, like poor John. Sorry, but I love the amount of pink and I love how she kind of displays all her clothing. So when I was watching it, I also got inspired about the mirror situation in this whole wall. So I need your guys' opinion. Earlier I showed you guys the mirror in the corner right here, which I really, really liked because I felt like it made the room feel really big. But now I feel like if I get a big shelf here, it won't be super awkward with the mirror and the dresser. Got a ton of stuff, but I moved the mirror into this corner. And I really like it because I feel like it's kind of a more simple background for OOTDs because I do a ton of mirror pictures, but also I feel like it's so flattering right here and it's not an issue with the door closing at all because that's how I did it back at my house, back home with my family. So I really, really like it. I feel like it just kind of adds a lot of dimension to the wall. It kind of gives it that. So I'm thinking like a big bookshelf or something over there. Fingers crossed I'll be able to find something. Me and my mom are going out shopping. I'm seriously so excited. I'm heading over there, so I need to like turn my computer off. Probably should text her that I'm on the way. And I'm seriously just so excited. And also my brother is over there right now, I think, and I haven't seen him in like a week, so I'm just like, oh, I'm excited. Okay, you guys, so it's been a few days. It's currently Monday, and I was editing this video and realized I never ended it, but John is home from work.
I'm home from work 2 days later.
He's a working man. And we got some PR packages. Well, I got them, but I think John's excited about them, and I'm gonna share them with him since we live together now. So, I don't know how to pronounce it.
Golly.
Golly Nutrition reached out to me and they sent me all of their vitamins, so I'm super excited about it. The packaging is really cute too because they have like these little things in here which are really helpful if you are new to vitamins like I am. They're also all over social media, but they gave us their apple cider vinegar gummies, which, are you excited to try these?
I'm very excited.
Is this the one that you are excited, or is it the fruit one?
I've never tried the apple cider vinegar. I'm more excited for the fruit one.
Okay. I've heard people taking apple cider vinegar. I'm not like too crazy on it, but I am excited for the fruit one. So this one is their fruit one. It's their super fruits gummy. And so you take 2 of these a day, I think. And there's 60 tablets in here. They're like little chewy gummies. I'm gonna take a wild guess that this one tastes like orange or something because of its, oh, it's mixed fruit.
Okay.
I'm gonna try one.
So let's try it on camera.
I had a banana today. I feel like I could eat one.
I got you.
Okay, I might need you to open that.
If you do the other one, I'll put this open.
But it has like all of these nutritional things inside of it, which is really, really exciting. So you can get up to, each daily serving of 4 gummies consists more of all of these, which is so crazy. And then they also sent us their ashwagandha gummies, which are like a stress, relax, and unwind type gummy. So I'm really excited to try these and super grateful they reached out. And I'm just happy it's Monday night. Are you excited? You got it?
Yep.
So this is what they look like. They're like little gummies.
There's 2 of them. We each have 2.
2 of them.
A little sour, but they taste like mixed fruit.
They taste like Gushers. Like they're gummy, but kind of like liquidy.
They're like Gushers without being Gushers.
So that's what we just took. I'm excited to add those to my vitamin. You guys, like a little vitamin category going on. Sorry, I stepped on you. But I've been talking about these a ton. I have been taking these on the daily. I'm like almost out of them, and John bought me some more. But I really have noticed a difference in my hair. Like I feel like I have like lots of little baby hairs, which I'm so excited about. But we're thinking about hitting the gym, and like I mentioned, I have the perfect pre-workout snack that I found at Walmart when we went grocery shopping the other day.
Oh, are we trying our...
I think they're called Splits. One of the YouTubers I watch Remy and like Alicia, they always eat these, and I've always wanted to try them, but I was like, I don't want to order them online. I just feel like that's a little extra. So I found them at Walmart. They were kind of expensive. I think they were like $3 a pack.
Yeah, they're a little pricey.
They're a little pricey, but they're like a peanut butter and jelly with no bread. So I figured we could try these. I need to change into workout clothes because I'm going to be dying of a heat stroke if I wear this to the gym since it's like 90 degrees outside. But I'm going to go change real quick. All right, guys, this is the gym fit. Woo! We are hitting the gym. Tried the Split. It was a no-go.
Not even a go.
Like, I don't know if maybe ours weren't just as fresh. I don't know, but it was just like peanut oil that just, it wasn't good. I wouldn't spend your $6 for 2 of them.
It was like we took a shot of peanut oil. It's kind of how it tasted.
And it kind of exploded, so, and they're not old because we just bought them, so just was not a no-go. I threw mine away, but we are hitting the gym. No pre-gym snack for me. So we're back up from the workout. Winded, our elevator's out, so we've been doing flights of steps daily, like every time we go up and down, and it's doable. Hopefully the elevator gets fixed sometime this week. But we did leg day. I'm feeling it. I was gonna film it, but it was really busy. So sorry for that, but eventually once I get a little bit more comfortable in the new gym sitch, that'll be like some fitness videos. But I'm going to hop in the shower. I'm going to be ending this video. I want to share with you guys that I did order shelves for this wall. I'm seriously so excited. So I went on and on about, I think I did it in this video, like when you weren't here, I was like, I need help figuring out how to decorate this room because it's so big. And we found shelves on Home Depot, so stay tuned in a later vlog for that. So definitely hit the subscribe button. But I'm gonna hop in the shower. We're gonna make dinner. We're making chicken.
Cilantro lime chicken with rice.
It's gonna be very good. John's been the chef. I've been loving it. He cooks me dinner every night. It's great. I do the dishes, don't worry. I chip in.
You chip in.
But oh my gosh, wasn't that such a great leg day?
It was a killer. I'm feeling it.
It was so much fun. And this is the first vlog of the new apartment. We're here. But stay tuned. Give this video a big thumbs up if you guys want more vlogs here. Big thumbs up. And I will see you guys very soon with my next video. Bye, guys.